Scalloway Meat Company has been established since 1925. The company moved to its current location in the heart of Scalloway in the early 1980s after it was vacated by a local knitwear company. In the 1900s, the building was home to a grocery store and butcher, so it was very fitting that Scalloway Meat Company would transform it back. The building has since had a two-storey extension built, and more recently in 2017, another building out the back was developed to be a dedicated processing plant, which includes a freezer, a cutting room, a large walk-in chill, an office and a purpose-built kitchen facility for all cooked products. The company services the local community in Scalloway, which has a population of around 800 people, as well as the wider Shetland community and visitors to the Isles. In 2014, the company opened a second smaller shop in Lerwick that allows customers living in and visiting the town easier purchase of products. Scalloway was the ancient capital of Shetland and sits just 10 miles outside of Lerwick. The current owner had been working as a tatty boy from his early teens and has enjoyed running the company since 1977. But it is now on the market looking for new owners to run this historical company in the beautiful Shetland Islands.